Hi everyone, today we are making two breakfasts. Both are spicy eggs. One is fried and one is an egg sandwich. So let's see how to make it. Here I've got the ingredients. I'm going to use one full egg, one whole egg, and about 1/3 cup of egg whites. I use these ones from Costco. They come in a pack of 4. I just eyeball it. Of course, you can measure it out. And now I'm going to spice it up. So I've got salt, red chili powder, and black pepper. And I couldn't find my whisk, so I'm just using a fork and just whisk it well. Just integrate all the spices, and the egg whites need a little bit of beating. It's nicer if with the whisk, but I just couldn't find it. So I've got the mix ready for my egg sandwich, and here I'm going to start both at the same time. I've got 2 frying pans on. The big one, I'm going to fry eggs in for my husband. He likes his fried eggs. And for me, I'm going to do the egg sandwich. So for the egg sandwich, I've added about a teaspoon of butter, and now I will add my tomatoes. I just take a small tomato, slice it into half, and fry it along with the fried eggs, because he likes that as well. So here's the first egg and the second egg. I do have the toast going on the side as well. You don't see it, it's there in the toaster. And now I'm going to spice up the eggs that are frying in the frying pan. And I like to use my fingers for this. It controls the level of spice and how it is spread. So I added salt. I'm now adding red chili powder, black pepper, and I will add a bit of garam masala as well. So these frying eggs have been nicely spiced. Now I can, I've got the heat on medium for both pans, because obviously you can't fry eggs on very high heat, otherwise that lace forms. So for my egg sandwich, I've poured the mixture. Again, the pan is on medium heat, and I just kind of, dip my bread into it to sort of almost like a French toast, but it's nice when the sandwich bread has egg on it on both sides. So that will continue to cook quietly on the side by itself. It doesn't need much attention. And on this side, my husband likes his eggs over easy, but the yolk's still running. So I'm just going to turn these over to make sure the whites are fully cooked, but that the yolk is still runny. And I'm going to spice the reverse side as well, just a bit, with some salt, black pepper, garam masala, and black pepper, or maybe red chili powder. Yeah, that's it. And now these are just ready. And so I've turned off the heat and I've taken those out. This is, I think, a really good breakfast. My husband really enjoys it. The eggs are just all spicy and nice. And now I can focus on my egg sandwich that has been quietly cooking over here on the side. When it's kind of ready to turn, I will. I just would like to turn it the one time. It's nicely browned. And we do like our eggs a little bit browny. And now I'll add a slice of cheese in the middle, fold up the edges on both sides, and then flip the one toast onto the other, just so it's like a sandwich. There you go. And now I will brown the toast, the sandwich from both sides. And once it's nicely browned, to my satisfaction, a little crispy, then I'll be ready to take it out and slice it up I've turned off the heat at this point. And as you can see, here is the sandwich. It is really tasty. And here are the fried eggs. The yolks are still a little runny, just the way my husband likes it. And we are ready to eat breakfast. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please do like and subscribe. Thanks.